So, we're diving into this ERP continuous validation project case study, focusing on, how SCA Pharma validated their Sage X3 ERP system and those custom toolbox
Yeah,
applications.
right. It's really interesting seeing how they took a risk-based three-phase approach.
Exactly. They validated 79 applications and rolled out essential documentation like user requirements, a validation master plan, and even functional and configuration
Mm.
specifications. It's like they built a solid foundation for an audit-ready compliance system.
And let's not forget the automated test protocols. They really streamlined things there.
Yeah, exactly. It's like each phase was designed to ensure every cGMP process was meticulously followed, all while making sure the system was fully traceable.
Right. I mean, over 200 user stories and 50 epics completed. That's a ton of attention to detail backed by strong cross-functional collaboration, isn't it?
Absolutely. The collaboration between IT and business stakeholders was
Yep.
key. They didn't just tick boxes, they ensured that risk assessment and issue resolution were ingrained throughout the project lifecycle.
But I do wonder, don't you think relying so heavily on documentation might slow down responsiveness to change in some environments?
That's a fair point. However, in a GMP setting, having that rigorous documentation is almost non negotiable. It's like building a secure bridge. You want every bolt tightened, even if it takes
Hmm.
time.
True, especially when you consider how these documents ensure they are audit ready and fully compliant with regulatory requirements.
Yeah, and speaking of compliance, the system lifecycle validation and effective change control are huge pluses. They manage to get everything aligned with business needs while keeping the regulatory bodies
Right on.
happy.
And it's impressive that they maintain that level of collaboration across different facilities Windsor, CT, and Little Rock, AR. It really shows the power of a unified approach.
Exactly. It's like orchestrated teamwork where every department plays its part.
Yeah,
In
exactly.
a way, they illuminated a clear path for companies looking to navigate the complexities of ERP validation in a regulated industry.
Wow, it's inspiring to see such a comprehensive approach. It really sets a benchmark for continuous validation projects in GMP environments.
Definitely. And as we see more companies shift towards digital transformation, this kind of rigorous validation process is only going to become more crucial.
Absolutely. For sure. Balancing innovation with compliance is a tightrope walk, but projects like this show it can be done effectively.
Precisely. And it's a great reminder that detailed planning, risk management, and interdepartmental collaboration are the pillars of a successful ERP validation journey.
Yep. I love how this case study, while technical, gives us a real world example of best practices in action.
Yeah, it's like a masterclass in turning complex challenges into systematic operational success.
Mm. Well, that was a fantastic discussion on the ERP continuous validation project. It's clear that thorough planning and regulatory rigor go hand in hand.
Absolutely. Thanks for the great insights and dialogue. Till next time, keep questioning and exploring these complex systems.